Hello everybody, this is Caleb playing a two-string guitar. Before I put the new strings on this guitar, I wanted to share this video with only two strings. So people hesitating to play the guitar, you can certainly play with one string, two strings, and build up from that. For the second part, I played some Joe Satriani song, the intro, only the intro as always. And in here I am, and it took me like 10 attempts to actually play that song because I haven't recorded in 7 months. Hopefully you know that one. Stay tuned in this channel because I will be, after putting the new strings, 6 strings, I will be uploading more content and some own compositions. I hope you like it. Almost 3 minutes. Thank you very much and happy weekend. I hope you had fun with the string guitar and don't stop learning. Bye for now.